Guys, we got a killer deal, but it's not really a killer deal, but it's a really good deal for the hand tools, garden tools from the Cobalt brand. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Basically, you buy 2 get 1 free, or you buy 3 and get 33% off. I believe the buy 2 get 1 free is at the stores, and the 33% off is right here online. So it's basically the same thing though. So I'll leave you guys all those links down below in the description section of the video. First one is the 40-inch shovel fiberglass handle digging shovel, $29.98. You get an 8x8 Tampers, $39.98. A 40-inch fiberglass handle transfer shovel, $29.98. See here, 60-inch fiberglass handle forge garden rake, $29.98. And you do have to add them to the cart to get that discount. 10x10 Tampers, $49.98. 24-inch lawn leaf rake fiberglass handle, $29.98. 48-inch steel post hole digger, $59.98. D handle scoop, 18-inch, $49.98. A 57.5 fiberglass handle root cutting shovel, $49.98. 36-inch aluminum landscape rake aluminum handle, $69.98. You got a 20.5 fiberglass D handle garden spade. This one is $29.98. And all the ones that have the green tag are available for this deal. So we got 30-inch plastic lawn and leaf rake. Personally, I don't like plastic, but fiberglass handle, $29.98. A 40-inch fiberglass handle trenching spade. This one is $39.98. And then you got 18-inch fiberglass D-handle drain spade, $39.98. A D-handle 20.5 inches fiberglass handle. A transfer shovel, $29.98. Got a D-handle digging shovel, $29.98. So these for the off-road, if you guys go off-roading, camping, all that. These are great for that. A 54-inch fiberglass handle mortar hoe. This one is $44.98. And then you got a fiberglass handle trenching spade, $28, $48 to $34. So depending on the size, I guess you get 44-inch fiberglass D handle root cutting shovel. So there's some more ones on the back, but those are the bottom, but they're not for this deal. So anything that has a green label on the bottom is available for this deal. And also, yeah, this is a great upgrade, guys. If you guys have old tools, then you might want to upgrade. Guys, that's it for today. I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of the video, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.